Okay, in terms of morning habits, when you get up, you're doing something by choice, whether it is checking news, going to cell phone, or whatever you're doing in the morning, right? That's already a habit you have. So whether you're aware or not, you're doing it. So just be aware and be well prepared. So like be planned, right? So when you go to sleep, what are you doing every day? Are you checking your phone and sleeping, or checking news and sleeping, or preparing for the day? When you get up in the morning, is it random or you're planning something for the day? Could be even 10 minutes or half hour or 1 hour ideally. So you're having a day planned out and preparing for the other things coming at you. So the morning and the night, what you're doing are very important because they determine your whole day. Of course, there is some random element, but a little bit of planning helps a lot. And some type of people are work is a lot more suitable versus some other people who are doing emergency type of work may not be that much, but still it does help in the overall your health, overall your life. So the morning and night, what you're doing every day, even if you don't think you are doing something, you are doing as a habit, just be aware or um, be aware. Just give a few seconds to be aware of what you're doing and what you could be doing for being better.